Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video, actually at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a list of some verbs. I listed verbs into different groups, and today I'm giving you another list that was left from the other ones, and that is the verbs that would not take ing. In English there are some verbs that are used, mainly the base form or the past tense or other tenses, but not in continuous form. It means they do not take ing, okay? And there are mainly stative verbs, okay? They are not about actions, because an action can get repeated and get continued, okay? So when something gets continued, then we just put ing after the verb and say that is the state, this is the way it is done. So I write something and then I continue this and I say I am writing something. So because this takes time and it's going along, continuous, okay, gets repeated. Alright, so this is a continuous verb, and the written form and the spoken, of course, is the verb, the base form of the verb plus ing. But some verbs can't be continued, okay? And we can't just express them that way. And they are mainly, as I told you, stative verbs. They mainly belong to the senses, the emotions, thinking, communication, and these kind of things, okay? At the end of this video I'm going to list them. Something like want. Want, for example, I want a day off, okay? I'll go to my let's say boss and say I want a day off, okay? That is just want, and I can't say I am wanting a day off. It doesn't make sense. It's not something that gets continued. Want is something general, okay? It covers me. So when I say want, it means it gives all the meaning that I want. I do not need to add anything to make it continuous. This, when I say I want, means from minutes earlier and later. It covers all the time. It's not just about this moment. It's like a simple present sentence, which is about past and future as well. Okay, it is something routine. Okay, so something like I am wanting is not right. You might hear it somewhere in a chat or in kind of advertisement. That's okay for those areas, but it's not formally accepted. For example, McDonald's say, I'm loving it. Okay, loving, that is something that sticks to mind, but you can't say, I am loving her. No, you just say, I love her, or she loves me, or I love her, or something like this. I love him, or things like this. But you can't just say, I am loving somebody. No, that is grammatically wrong. Alright. So let's now move on to the list. I'll go and you'll see the list after I go. So I'd better go. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.